Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you all how I do these shoulder length passion twists. And right now I am just sectioning off her hair, and then after I section it off, I am going to part it into bricklay. And bricklay is my favorite parting due to the fact that I love that it remains full and it doesn't just look scase. Like, you know how sometimes when you don't do bricklay partings and you lay them right on top of each other, you can see their scalp. So yeah, I definitely did the bricklay parting. As I part, I am going to braid the parts halfway, because when I install these, I am going to braid at the root and then I'm going to twist on the way down. The type of hair that I'll be using today is by Lulutress, and it is the water wave ombre hair, and I believe it was like a T27. I'm going to leave everything down in the description below so that you can order it. So as you can see, I am going to take my crochet needle and I'm going to do it in real timing for you all, so I'm not going to speed it up. I'm going to take the crochet needle and crochet the Lulutress water wave hairpiece through her root. After that, I am going to braid the Lulutress plus her hair. I'm going to use it like a third leg, and I'm just going to braid it down like you would do regularly. And wherever I had stopped the braid on the original hair, there is where I'm going to split the hair in half, and then I am going to twist the hair all the way down. So when I twist this, you guys, you want to make sure you're going the direction of the curl pattern that is on the Lulutress hair. And I am going to take it and start to twist. And in order for it to kind of stay a little bit, you guys, I'm kind of going to twist it while I'm twisting just a little bit. And as you can see, the twists do not have to be perfect, because that's what makes it called a passion twist. You want to make sure it's kind of not uniform, but at the same time, it gives that effect of what you're looking for. So I don't want to do too much talking. I want you to enjoy this video. I would like for you to stay to the end so that you can see the final results. If you have any questions, or if you just want to tell me you like it or you don't like it, it's cool. Leave everything down in the comment section below. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video if anybody needs help or needs help, have inspiration to do this hairstyle. And I will talk to you later, trendsetters. Love you. Until next time.
Yeah, roll with the G. Life will be when you own it. Yeah, life will be, yeah. Roll with me, yeah. Roll with the G. And you know you release, ain't rolling clean. Yeah. Panoramic roof, make it feel the breeze. Stop off at your church house, she on D&D. Girl, if you ain't got no plans, then I'll take you out to eat. Don't you open no doors and let me get all your seats. I'm a gentleman, I'ma let you talk and then I'll speak. Ain't you saying a prayer for our food before we eat? And I got the whole receipt, it's nothing deep. I'ma drop you by your street, cause I ain't coming in your home, that's not allowed. It's crazy what these girls will do for some clout. Showing off their body, but I don't find it appealing. Can you wear something decent when you step out the house? Why you showing everybody what should be a secret? Only thing that you should be revealing is your feelings. Tell me how you feel, tell me is it real? Tell me all about it so I know what's the deal. We can take out to go, cause you know we needed this help. And you know I pray about it like I'm praying for myself. Down, you know I'm riding to the car, ain't got no wheels. I ain't driving cause I need God at the wheel, not me. And I'm trusting in your time and in your will for me, yeah. Church girl, that's the girl for me, Church girl, come and roll with the G. And you know you at least ain't holy and clean, and you own it, shining out your life full beam, yeah. Church girl, that's the girl for me, Church girl, come and roll with the G. And you know you at least ain't holy and clean, and you own it, shining out your life full beam, yeah. Panoramic roof, make it feel the breeze. Stop off at your church house, she on D&D. Girl, if you ain't got no plans, then I'll take you out to eat. Don't you open no doors and let me get all of your seats. I'm a gentleman, I'ma let you talk and then I'll speak. And you saying a prayer for our food before we eat. And I got the whole receipt, it's nothing deep. I'ma drop you by your street, cause I ain't coming in your home, that's not allowed.
4x4s, they ain't in prison, sure ain't neither. We seen eye to eye, I think sure he's a keeper. She stay up people business, she just wants to go Geneva. And she don't like parties neither, she loves God and I believe her. Couldn't care if she's a cleaner or a doctor or a teacher. Don't need no Instagram, girl, I want a different. If she believe in angles more than she believe in angels, we are not on the same pages. I need real and not the fake, and only God that we are chasing. This is why I find engaging. If she's giving more than taking, and she's cool and very patient, then I got one. If I see her body on the ground, she must be on one. Really ain't my vibe, they ain't my time, need other options.
Panoramic roof, make you feel the breeze. Stop off at your church house, she on D&D. Girl, if you ain't got no plans, then I'll take you out to eat. Don't you open no doors and let me get all of your seats. I'm a gentleman, I'ma let you talk and then I'll speak. And you saying a prayer for our food before we eat. And I got the whole receipt, it's nothing deep. I'ma drop you by your street, cause I ain't coming in your home, that's not allowed. Yeah.